Third problem, rounding. All students, I believe, more or less have been trained at school, so we're just gonna do this in a very fast way. So let's first do an example. So let's say we have an example of this number. So here's the decimal place. This is single, this is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousandth, this is 10,000, okay? This is the tenth, the nearest tenth, the hundredth, and the thousandths. This is after the decimal place. When you round, you always want to find the number that's right behind the number that you're looking for. For example, 697 to the nearest hundred. You want to round stuff to the hundredths place, so you have to look for the number right after it. So that's 9. 9 is bigger than 5, so you got to have one carry over. So this would be 700. Round 0.03 to the nearest tenth. Nearest tenth is this place. So you look at the number right behind it. 3 is less than 5, so there is no carryover. So the rounding would give you 0.0. Round this one to nearest hundredth. Nearest hundredth is the 9. So you look at the number right behind it, it's a 7, that's big, so you have to carry 1 over. Once you give 1 over, 1 plus 9 is 10, you have to carry another 1. So this would eventually give you 0.20. So the rest of the numbers are relatively easy. Once you find which is the number, which is the place that you're trying to round to, look for the number behind it. Nearest thousands is the 2. So you look for the number right behind it, that's an 8. So you got to carry 1 over. So the final answer is 0.03. So let's look at this number. To the nearest thousand. Single, 10, hundredths, thousandths place, that's a 7. So you have to look at the number right behind it. 8 is bigger than 5, so you carry 1 over. So eventually, but once you carry 1 over, the rest of the 3 terms is going to give you 0, 0, 0. You give it an 8, you copy all the rest of the numbers.